Hello to everyone. My name is Nzeimana Bat Shaban. I'm going to present on topic which called water sustainability development in India. As we told by lecturer to choose one topic according to the which is not including in the syllabus but in environmental chemistry. So I choose this topic to describe about the water sustainability development in India, as you see in the unit 4 about the water chemistry. So it's a very important topics in our daily life because we use it in different sectors, in different aspect of life. So I'm going look here, understanding water sustainability. When we say water sustainability, what do you understand? So sustainability water means a nation that can be a water self-sufficient. So means is a country which have water which is sufficient or access to different sector, to different aspect of life. So in providing water used for the people, in home domestic demands, in the public using institutions, in agriculture, and every sector of life. So when the water country they have is sufficient to those different sectors, we say water sustainability. This country have water sustainability. Is it India maybe have the water sustainability? So we're going to look at. So look here. Uh, uh, Water sustainability have the vast meaning. When we say water sustainability, we not talk about the quantity only. We say about also the water which is very clean, quality of water. And we say also water which is enough to human. And we say water which is very good for drinking use. We say about the natural water used in different you see this is which is available, and the different people don't have the problem for using water in different sectors. So that is what we call water sustainability. So when we have what we call a clean water changes everything in our life. So in our health, access to foods, and the local in economy growth and education, because everything's in the different in the aspect of economy or our life is based on water. When we don't have clean water, when we don't have water which is very useful, so we can't go in the development. We can't go far in every area of our life. So water is very important. So reason why we have to take care for the individual or for the government. Every people have the respect or have the duty for protecting and using the water in a good way. So there are different water used in treatment methods. So, but the water treatment technology, this is the technology in used in a by treating the water, so be a usable water, which is a quality, which is quality for using for drinking. So this is a technology. What they take water and they put in different the boards or by using technology they they treat water, and then they put in a pipe, may be using for home, domestic home, may use it for industry, may use it for the agriculture, but by using that technology, they clean water, and that water be be usable in different sector of life. There are different methods used for improving water sustainability. First one was what we call harvesting rainwater. So when we say harvesting rainwater, is the water which is taken from the buildings, the house, different house. When people, the building house, they are advised to put those tanks for collecting water, and that water they may use in a different area for cooking, for used in different area, because water is very important. Second is reclaimed water. This is when water is waste. They use technology, they use different technology. They can, and then they try to treat and be usable in different also area. Potable water, desalinization, and the bottled water. Also, bottled water is somewhere, somehow they put water in a bottle, that is a bottle, but they make sure that that water is safe and is good, able to use for drinking all other activities. So this is what we call bottled water. Also, drip irrigation. So is irrigation used in agriculture for different crops, but this irrigation, which is very important, which is very using the more technology, so and advanced for where they treat they clean water and they used, so without also the disease or other contaminated, and they use it for irrigating. So let me say about the water consumption rates. There are different rates according to the different annual reports, according to different research, the water used in different area. So as I said, domestic water demands, industrial water demands, institutional and commercial water demands, demand for public use, that water used for public, parks, any stadium, any schools, and everything is that man public. Also, fire demands, the water used when there is somehow fire outbreaks, they used to stop that fire outbreaks, losses, and those waste water. So there are different rate look here as different. So domestic consumption is ranged about 65 up to 300. So in average, water which is used in domestically in homes, drinking, cooking, or bath, showering, and toilet and everything is ranged about 160. It is also in percentage, which is have highest percentage, 345 as used in different in homes. So industrial have the 40% public use 10, and loses water and waste. You see, loses water and waste have 25. So this is why we have to improve the technology and to make sure that we use water in a good manner. Okay. So when we have clean water, everything changes in our life. When we use clean water in everything, so the water used in agriculture, used in domestic in area, which is when is clean, everything changed. So it's very important. As we see now, the different companies established. I have seen there are different companies established for providing water sanitation to help people in India. So it's very important to take care of it, and but also it's our responsible for using good manner, because water is natural source, but we may take care of it. So as I say, water supply system sustainable will be sustainable only if it promotes efficient in both supply and demand sides. Initiative to meet demand and supply will be sustainable if they prioritize measures to avoid water waste. So it's important for us to make sure that we are using water in a good manner, so without wasting. So it's our responsible as youth, it's responsible all people, responsible for every people, every citizen to take care for water used, in order that when you waste, it is a big challenge. The water may be, it's very costly next generation if we don't take care now. So thank you for listening to my presentations, and I hope that it is very important. Thank you. Nzeyimana Shaban.